Well, good morning or good evening, good afternoon. I'm back with another 15-minute mix for you. We're working along together. And whether today you are using this time to craft, to study, to clean your house, I just wanted to give you some encouragement. And if you're not doing any of those things, I'm Diane in Denmark, here to get you organised and get your house in order. And today the theme is going to be Shop Your Home. So if you are ready for that, let's dive in. Okay, so if you're wondering what the first thing we're going to do, the first thing I want you to do is we're going to, before you go off shopping and buying all the stuff in the stores, I want you to have a look and see what you already have at home. So I've got a few ideas for you, maybe in like the kitchen, check on your dishwasher tablets, kitchen roll, coffee, soap, cleaning supplies, toilet roll, go into the bathroom. What do you use? Shampoo, all those things. Because often we'll get to the supermarket or the store and we'll be buying things that we've already got a ton of at home, okay? So go and have a wee think about that. Go and look through your cupboards and I'll give you some more ideas in a wee minute, okay? But back to the music. When things are a bit chaotic at home, it's easy to lose track of these things, and then we're buying more and then shoving them in the cupboards, and then we can't see what we've got. So that's why today we're just taking stock. If there's something that you're running really low on, add that to your errand day list, your grocery list. And as you are in the kitchen or in the bathroom, what are you finding there? Are you finding huge maxi packs of things that you thought you were going to use, thought was a good deal, and never actually used them? Let's see what's in there. We're going to save so much money. And sometimes we end up just, tossing them then. So let's get those things used up and let's not buy more until we've used them. Everything's going my way. And we're going to be moving on to another thing in a wee minute, so wait for that. Are you feeling it? Are you beginning to see all the supplies? Okay, let's get moving it. Oh yeah, I meant to say, are you feeling it? Are you moving it? Okay, so now we've had a wee look at our supplies in the kitchen, in the bathroom. We're going to be moving on to look at other supplies in a wee minute. So finish up where you are, and I hope, as I said, you're always wearing cordless headphones for this, so you can really get the bass and hear what I'm saying.
Everything is going my way to the HOUSE. Product of Boogeyman, indeed. The back was a chant. It's saying on the radio, I'll be playing sample switch sound.
Okay, just a few more seconds, then we're moving on.
To the HOUSE, to the H to the HOUSE, to the H to the HOUSE, to the H to the HOUSE.
Okay, for your second task today, we're going to be looking at school supplies, especially if you've got kids who are going back to school, or maybe you're just the type that likes notebooks and pens and all those things, or maybe you have been looking at sports gear, whatever it is for this new season. We're going to take stock of what we already have. We're not going to shop in the stores or in the supermarkets or in the shops until we have shopped our home, okay? So I want you to go and look at school supplies. Maybe you've been looking at a new water bottle or new homeware. Go and see what you already have. And let me know in the comments, what's the type of thing, where do you fall into that trap of thinking, I need to buy this fresh new thing? We're going to stop that. We're going to stop spending too much money. Okay, back to the music. Remember to leave me a wee comment. Just want you to know that your friends are close at hand. I am close at hand. I'm here cheering you on, all right?
This is the return of the space cowboy. It's a planetary goodbye zone. Say at the speed of Chiba, oh, you are not gonna diva. Maybe I have to get hot to get by.
Yeah, put your hands up if you've been guilty of buying new packed lunch boxes and whatever when you've got some perfectly good ones in your kitchen.
Everything is good, high and green. Say I'm red again, and I don't suppose I'm coming down. I can see clearly, so high in the sky. A man with psychedelic makes friends. I've happiness to share those eyes. He's bad, all that I found. Somebody who he can run down. This is the return of the space.
And as usual, if you're enjoying the tracks today, you will find the track ID in the video information. It's a good old classic, Jamiroquai. Always gets me on the dance floor. I'm feeling like I need to change tracks. Let's do that while you keep looking at your supplies. Right, don't slack off on me here. Okay, as you can see, the timer's counting down. Over there, we're going into our last task of today. If you're doing your own to-do list, that is fine. You just work on your own things. What I want you to do for your final thing is we're going to go back into the kitchen, and I want you to look at what is in the cupboards, the pantry. If you've got one of those, I've just got deep drawers in our wee kitchen. And if you want more help with any of these things, specifically where you see me decluttering and cleaning and organising, I've got thousands of videos. These are just little boosters for your day, hopefully a little bright spot in your day. But what I want you to do is to look in your kitchen, in the pantry, in the fridge, in the drawers, see what you've got there that you haven't been using. You know, every time you go to make dinner and you're finding those items that, well, I'm not going to use it today. I want you to identify those items. Extra points if you put a comment later. And we want to get those items used up like this week. And if not this week, next week, or else we're going to pass them on. Somebody else that can use them. Maybe you've got a friend who loves some kind of tahine paste that you bought. I'm not into tahine paste. I've been there, done that, passed on to a friend. But let's identify those things, because we all have too much food, and you know what's going to end up happening is it's going to sit in the cupboards, and you're just going to keep pushing it to the side, and then you're going to get all overwhelmed when you find it there, and you know, will be beating yourself up for not using it and wasting money. Let's look at what we've got there right now. Okay, off you go. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I am Diane in Denmark. I've been on YouTube for, gosh, I think coming up, is it 10 years? 10 years already, maybe? And this is something new for me. I started DJing in the spring at the age of 59, and I'm loving it. One of my passions is music, making my own mixes and stuff, so I love it. Anyway, you keep working in the pantry, and I'll find another song to keep us going, okay? Put your hands in there if you just don't care, or if you've guessed what this last track is. An oldie but goodie. Okay, a couple of minutes left on the timer. And the song is Voulez-vous, ABBA. And as I always say, you don't want to have to declutter, or you don't want to, you don't need to want to clean the bathroom. You just have to do it. And that's what I'm here, providing a wee bit of inspiration to get you up off your bahookie, off your backside and moving. Okay, what are you finding in those pantries? Extra brownie points for the weirdest items. And what are you going to make with them? I love reading the comments when you say, oh, I found this pack of whatever, and then somebody else will say, oh, you can make that with it. I love those ideas. Yeah, you know what to do, voulez-vous. And then we're just coming down. We've got about a minute left. Keep going. Okay, come back to me. How did you get on today? And remember, with these little productivity mixes, we're not making everything better. We're just making things a little better. One step at a time, one foot in front of the other, 15 minutes at a time. And that's what I hope I'm giving you here. Just there's a wee bit of hope out there. I'm there to hold your hand, to get you up on the dance floor, get you up and moving around your house. Coming to the end of our time together. We're counting down, less than 30 seconds left. And I hope you'll join me again soon for another one. I love doing these things. Oh, here we go with the timer. Here we go. Woohoo! We did it. Okay, and as usual, all I've got left to say is, thanks for joining me at the decks here in Denmark. I am Diane in Denmark. Whoop. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the hygge mix be with you, and I'll see you very soon. If I can turn my pom-pom up the right way with the ra, ra, ra. Okay, bye for now. Okay, Abba, you can leave the building. Thanks. I'll give you some money on the way out.